have any further comment. That's all. Suddenly, decision is up to our party high command. So I don't know. Only last night I received a call from CM. Then he said, "Oh, you better resign tomorrow." So I resigned. It's a loyal party man. I cannot say no. I did not ask why also because I don't like to ask why. Because I know it is as a senior most party man, I should not ask him also. It depends on his wisdom. That is why I say I don't have any further comment on that. Because you see, I have tendered my resignation as per the direction from the party high command. And say what I am asked to do, I have done it. So it depends on the what is called the wisdom of the Shem, whether he asks me to sit somewhere or go somewhere. That also I don't know.
Maybe you will be accommodated in the cabinet, in the reshuffle.
That also I don't know. I say it is his prerogative. I tell you. Yeah, I don't know whether I'll be inducted or I'll be thrown away or I'll be sent somewhere else. I say.
So what does?
It's not too early, I think. They want to do the election of the deputy CM within this session. So I have to keep going. Not angry. I'm not angry. I'm quite satisfied. Quite satisfied.
So
This is my nature. I never get angry. In politics, so far as politics is concerned, I never get angry. As for explanation, I didn't ask him.
But is it not a logical, normal thing? The question comes.
I have a full trust in him. I don't know. You see, so I cannot say no because he's my most favorite CM.
Next deputy speaker, who will be?
Next deputy speaker, that also I don't know. Who will be? Whom they will pick up for deputy speaker? That also, you see, it is not within my knowledge.